Hello and welcome to the second in our series of AI Age webinars. This is a chance to hear about the modern sales landscape and specifically the products and solutions that you can take to your customers to help you increase business. Firstly, I'd like to begin with a brief look at what we covered last time out and how that links to what we'll be discussing today. The way that technology is consumed, delivered and paid for is changing, and with a greater emphasis on speed, agility, flexibility, scalability and innovation. At the same time, businesses want to discover better ways to work, to spend and consume and prioritize enhanced experiences for employees and customers. That'll be made possible thanks to a combination of powerful data and the capabilities of AI, which will give us game-changing intelligence. This is where we start with the opportunities. For you to talk about the bigger strategic picture, how you can help customers digitally transform, build intelligent data strategies, and do it in a way that's focused on them. You can create a new perception of storage at HPE. And while you're having these conversations, you'll uncover the opportunities, the solutions and products that can get your customer to where they want to be. So let's take a closer look at the foundations you can build for customers and those products and solutions that can help take them to the next level. And I talk about foundations with specific reference to digital transformation, the building blocks of the new intelligence-led era. It's about creating businesses that are future ready, and that's something that needs to permeate throughout an organization, covering not only technology, but also people and economics. So it involves setting businesses up with the right skills, culture, investment, and of course, the technology that redefines experiences, igniting innovation with hybrid cloud and unleashes the power of data. And the products, storage solutions, and platforms we're going to look at now will facilitate this by being easy to use so that the operational burden is reduced for businesses and they can get more time back to do the things they need to do. Let's have a look at some of them. See how you can take these products to customers as part of their digital transformation and help them successfully move into the intelligence era. We begin with HPE Nimble Storage, which is AI for the data center that's reliably fast, radically simple, and cloud ready. Its main advantage is easy to understand, predicting problems and preventing them from occurring, which in turn removes time-consuming disruption and the headaches associated with figuring out what's gone wrong and how to fix it. It eliminates guesswork thanks to predictive support automation, AI-driven management, and a unique product experience. And it really is the ultimate in predicting, diagnosing, and preventing issues. Again, it's worth emphasizing the ease of use and putting that alongside some of the headline benefits for your customers that we see here on the slide. Built for the cloud with guaranteed 6 nines availability, HPE Nimble Storage resolves 86% of issues automatically. Ultra efficient, simple user experience for the enterprise, and it cuts costs too, leading to 79% lower storage operational expenses. Moving on, I'd also like to highlight HPE Nimble Storage DHCI. This is disaggregated HCI that lets your customers scale compute and storage independently. So it's made for flexible scaling and business critical workloads and combines this flexibility with the simplicity of HCI. Again, this is an intelligently simple solution. It's completely resilient and fundamentally designed to allow anyone to manage full stack infrastructure. You'll see here on the slide some of the elements that make up the simplicity of the HPE Nimble Storage DHCI offering. We've again got that element of predictive support and problem prevention that we heard about a couple of minutes ago, along with that scalability element, fast deployment and easy management. Perhaps the simplest way to describe this is that HPE Nimble Storage DHCI means your customer's infrastructure will be out of sight and out of mind. For example, new compute and storage resources are easily added to the cluster. Integrated planning means predictive full stack wellness and resource optimization, and it's really easy to scale and upgrade with no downtime. Next up is HPE Primera, and this is a solution that provides a storage experience unmatched in the industry, thanks to a series of unique innovations across intelligence, hardware, and software. In fact, it's the world's most intelligent storage for mission-critical apps, offering an on-demand experience, app-aware resiliency, and predictive acceleration. The on-demand element is made for the agility of the cloud. Its self-service user experience delivers instant access to data with storage that sets up in minutes, upgrades transparently, and is delivered as a service. Your customers will also get beyond-the-box protection for no disruptions, corruptions, or delays, while predictive acceleration means they can consolidate without risk, and an embedded AI engine self-optimizing performance. Take all of that together and more, and this is what you get. 100% availability and unmatched performance to eliminate disruptions and ensure your mission-critical apps are always fast, even at scale. Provision in seconds, update in minutes, and upgrade transparently, and save a huge amount of time through that autonomous on-demand service that's at the core of Primera. Time savings are also a key advantage of this next solution, along with cost savings and, as the name suggests, simplicity. That's because HPE SimpliVity streamlines IT operations with a fast, uncomplicated, and efficient hyperconverged platform that combines IT infrastructure and advanced data services into a single integrated all-flash solution at a fraction of the cost of traditional offerings. Hyper-efficient technology improves application performance and reduces capacity utilization by up to 10 times, guaranteed. And whereas other brands converge only part of the infrastructure, HPE SimpliVity converges the entire IT stack in each node, consolidating as many as 10 devices and apps in a simple, powerful building block for virtualized environments. Once again, we see this advantage of intelligent simplicity through an all-in-one system that effectively anyone can manage. It means no silos, no specialists required, a lower overall cost and hyper efficiency that eliminates waste in both time and money. And because it's easy to manage and scale, it makes IT staff up to 53% more productive. The last solution I'd like to mention is all about smart collaboration, and it comes in the form of the CloudPhysics platform. CloudPhysics can help power IT professionals and solution providers to work better together, communicate more effectively, and simulate data center transformations before making any disruptive changes. It's an intuitive, easy to use software as a service application that uses unique operational analytics to automatically identify data center inefficiencies. CloudPhysics extracts data from a wide array of data center objects, including virtual machines, physical servers, storage arrays, and network infrastructure. It then takes this extracted data and creates a detailed fingerprint of each managed object, which are in turn used to identify optimized opportunities and also to simulate the migration of any set of workloads to a new infrastructure. So this really brings IT professionals and solution providers together to work collaboratively in viewing and analyzing infrastructure and reports, as well as using best practice health checks and a knowledge-based advisor service to continuously analyze infrastructure for hidden risks. And one of the main benefits, alongside collaborative working, CloudPhysics can enable users to build reports and analyses in minutes rather than days. So that concludes this snapshot of the products and solutions that we recommend looking at when developing future plans with your customers. And it really is just a snapshot. There's plenty more to discover. But to reiterate something from an earlier slide, it's important to understand customer outcomes and how these solutions can fit into what they are looking to achieve. How can they help customers achieve their strategy? How can they assist in their digital transformation, their readiness for and their journey into this age of intelligence that we're embarking on? These answers to these questions and more will open up real opportunities for you to provide the necessary support. And that's why we hope this run-through has been useful. Clearly, though, our role doesn't end here. Do please get in touch with our technology solutions experts, discuss the products you've heard about and find out more. They're on hand to offer the expertise that means you're better placed to pass it on to your customers. If you'd like to get in touch with them, you can visit tse.westcoast.co.uk and speak to one of our specialists. Once again, I hope these webinars have been useful. Thank you for listening.